What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. So I'm here in Family Dollar and I wanted to share a shop with me with you guys because I found this huge new display of sandals. They also have flip-flops, beach towels, a lot of new clothing items, as well as some summer hats, some cute little zippered bags, and some beach and pool bags. So let's go ahead and get started and see what sort of deals we can find today. So here we have some $8 sandals, and these are sort of gladiator style. These are for women. We have them in the gold and the silver, sort of a laser cut design. Here we have some Birkenstock styled sandals. We have them in brown and also in sort of a creamy white. I don't think there's a black. Those are $8. And then down here from the Just Be brand, we have some slides. We have this little clear area here, which I think is really cute. These are just $6. We also have them in the peachy pink. We have some more slides here, and these are like really jelly, and they have the glitter in them. We have them in the clear and also in the pink. Those are $6 as well. We have the braided variety for $6. We have a denim, and this looks like it's sort of a woven burlap, but it's not. It's actually a plastic. Those are $6. This little variety here that's sort of sporty. It has a little bit of a heel to it. A variety down here with the pink footbed. It feels really cushy. And then we have some girls varieties up here, and they're really sparkly and cute for $6. Actually, they say $5. Okay, so these are $5. And then we have some little girls slides with the sequins. These are all $5. We have the cute black and white. And then we have a pink hollow here. Now those are all just $5, but we have more. We have a little toddler or infant sized flip-flop with the little strap for $5. Cute little Paw Patrol design, also for boys. Look at these. Those are so cute. I love those. I wish they had these in women's sizes. Those are just $5. And then we have this variety here that's very similar to the women's variety for $6. These are just $1 less for $5. Also in the white. And these are super cute for $7. We have some pretty beadwork. Really pretty. And silver straps. Moving on to the $1 flip-flops, we have really cute pineapple designs. The straps are pretty flimsy, which is a little bit disappointing. They're all pretty flimsy, but I really love the design. Look at this one, you guys. The flamingos are neon, and I love the white leaves. I love the green leaves. It's a really pretty design. And then we also have a pair of monster flip-flops for little boys, also for just $1. On to some $2 flip-flops. We have some Woodgrain style flip-flops where the strap and the sole match. We have them in purple, a really pretty greenish blue, a different shade of blue, and also a pink. Now moving on to some floral designs, some tropical designs. We have this pair, and the pink is just so pretty. I really love the pink and the green and the blue together. And then we have a pastel pink with a purple. Then we have some fruit, melons and pineapples. More flamingos. I think we saw a pair of flamingos for the little girls. Yeah, we did. We saw these for the little girls. And now we have these for women. And I love this one. We have watermelon, pineapple, and palm fronds. Some of these are just $1. Okay, so these ones over here were $2. But I was wrong, you guys. These are all just $1. I think it's just the faux wood grain designed flip-flops, and they are pretty firm. Those are actually $2, and they are a lot more resistant, this pair. This pair is much more bendy and thin. But these are all your $1 flip-flops. We have the floral in black, and then we have the fruit. And this is a really cute design. It really pops. We have the fruit with the black background, and then we're back to some $2 pairs, and right away you can feel the difference. They feel thicker, less resistant to bending. I really love the flower here. We also have those in white. So cute. This is pretty gummy and thin, but it feels durable enough. And then we have it in a pretty pink. And then this pair is also $2, just $2 in the gray. And this pair here in the navy. Let's talk about beach hats. We have $5 beach hats. And let's see what it looks like up close. It says, "Hello, summer." And it is really a large size here. Really pretty. Let's see what else we have. We also have that with the black. And then we have a black one back here that has the cute little pom-poms. Also, let's see if this is $5. No, these aren't $5. These ones down here are actually $4. We have it in the navy. We have it in the sort of yellowish cream. And we also have the pink. For $8, we have a variety of beach bags or pool bags, sort of a tote. It is pretty large. I really like this pineapple print. Let's see what the inside looks like. We have a little snap closure. And I'm not seeing any pockets. It's just an open tote. So we have the pineapples in black. But guess what, you guys? We also have some gold foiled pineapples. Those are really pretty, and you get the design on the front and the back. And then we have sort of a pretty nautical rope handled tote here in the blue and the gold. And then we have one back here that says, "Hello, summer." And it also has the really soft handle. Let me just check the prices on those. Yes, these are all $8. Really cute. Let's look at some towels now. These are all by the Tropic Sun brand, and these are $8 beach towels. I was looking to see if we have any dimensions so I can let you know how big these are, but I'm not seeing any dimensions on the tags. These are 100% cotton. And next we have this tie-dye variety. It's really pretty. Oh, and it actually has some dolphins on the other side. I love these blues. That looks really nice. We have a flamingo, but it's sort of in the red and peachy tones, not too pink. It looks really nice up against the blue though. These towels, they feel really soft, really, really soft. And I would say they're medium weighted. And I think this is our last variety. Let's check it out. It says Barbados, St. Croix, Aruba, St. Lucia, and Bermuda. That's pretty cute. We have some pretty palm leaves, and we have some pretty flowers. This is really cute. We have the skyline. This is so cute. I love the floral print on the sign here. Now over here we have some pretty dresses for girls, and they're up to size 14-16. I think they start at size 4 and go up to size 14-16. We have this one. It's really cute. I really like the white line here. This is just $6, and you guys have to see the back. It is so pretty. Look at that. I really, really like the gray background. And then we have this little one here. This one is an off-the-shoulder design. Then we have a little bit of bling here with butterflies and tropical leaves. And it has sort of a different cut to it on the sides. As you guys can see, it would kind of hang down a little different with this point here. This will probably end up being Birdy's cover-up, her pool cover-up for the summer. And then back here we have a little denim dress. It kind of looks like an oversized shirt. This is $8 by the Extremely Me brand. And I think it's really cute. I really like the detailing here. And it feels medium weighted. It feels nice. Over here we have some more dresses similar to the first one I showed you, the gray one, with the really cute back. Again, these are just $6. To my pineapple lovers, this one is super cute. It looks a little bit longer than some of the other styles, and I have to say, it is so soft. It feels soft and stretchy. So we have a sort of strappy design here, and I'm guessing this can be kind of off the shoulder. Really cute. This one has that similar design to the pink one, where its cut is really different on the sides. And we have the off the shoulder design with the bling front. Now here's the last dress, and I think it's so pretty. I really like the design of the pineapples, and it's so different because it has a purple background, has a little lace accent. Let's check it out. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah, these are so pretty. $6 only. Most of these are either $6 or $8 each. I found these cute little zipper pouches. They're $6. I feel like I've maybe seen these before. I believe you get 2 pouches in a pack, plus we get this cute little pom-pom. But there are some new ones in the back that I wanted to share with you guys, and I wonder if they're anything like the ones I've been getting at Walmart lately, because I have really been loving the canvas pouches from Walmart. So I went ahead and removed a few from the front, and here's the first one. It says, "All you need is love," and then we have many different ways of saying "I love you" here on the second pouch. Now the second pouch is slightly larger than the first pouch. And these are, let's see, how much are these? These are $5, and the brand is Twig and Arrow. I think we have some others back here. This one says, "Shopping is cheaper than therapy." And the second one has a bunch of really cute shoes on it. Shoes and gloves and accessories. It says fashion and style. To me, it has sort of a vintage style to it. But hey, you guys, again, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, share with me down in the comments, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.